Right, 2019 Western Star 4900. This truck has a Cummins 565, the X Performance series. 18 speed, it's got an RTLO 18.9, 18B in it. 14.7 front axle, 213.2 drops, and then 40 rears with full cross-locking rears. 373 ratio, 280 on the wheelbase. Has the leather, faux leather, heated seats, tuck and roll on the roof panel, full gauge package. It's been professionally polished. It does have the chain rack that goes with it, with the chains and the toolbox, dual stacks. Airliner suspension. Has front disc, rear drums. 11R 22.5 tires. $150-gallon fuel tank on this. Has the outside air cleaners. Really nice truck. I use this to haul grain trains, but they were hauling coal. So it does have the setup for, it does have a PTO switch in it. It does have a switch for 2 drop axles on the trailer. So nice setup on the truck. The truck's got 21,000 and some change on hours. I'm assuming, so the odometer says 20,000. The engine has been redone on this, but I'm assuming this truck's going to be like the other ones, were around 900 to 980 on the miles. But it's really tight. The steering's tight on it. The shifting's tight. Suspension seems tight. So they took good care of the trucks.